Good afternoon, I'm Roger here at Junction City with Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a Newmar Canyon Star. It's a 2020, it's a 3513. Love this floor plan. Let's take a quick look at this. We've got 3 slides. Passenger side, we're gonna have 2 slides. We've got some great storage all down this coach. And it goes on and on and on. Here's our outside TV, our living room furnace, full body paint, push button awning with wind sensor, so it starts bouncing around. It's got to close up automatically. Look at all this storage. We've got the big water heater, 10 gallons. We've got a nice tow hitch on the back. This one is rated for, 5,000 pounds, I believe? Yep, 5,000 pound tow hitch on a 35-foot coach. LED illumination front and back, full wall slide. Newmar invented the slides back in 1991 for motorhomes. They've done a great job. Love the paint on this. It's like a diesel pusher paint job. It's got the windows that are UV protected. It's going to keep stuff from baking out of like the back of the sofa and stuff like that. Let's go inside, because that's where the real magic happens. I like this guardrail as we come in. Keep somebody from falling down the steps. Up front, we've got the 2020 Ford Dash, automatic awning, or automatic hydraulic leveling, 6-speed transmission, 460 foot-pounds of torque, big TV up front. We've got a booth dinette, makes it into a bed very quickly, very easily. It's called the Magic Bed. Beautiful styling, all flex steel furniture, all real wood construction. That's just beautiful. Newmar does a great job. Love the 2020 accent in the roof. Kind of gives it a little step up. And then our main TV for the living room is back here with a Bose sound bar, big furnace. It's got the sweep up dustpan option for the in-house, full house vacuum system. A lot of storage throughout. Okay, love this countertop. Here we've got a 2-sink stainless steel sink. The kitchen sink covers act as a cutting board, so you don't have to cut on the pretty side, you can cut on the dull side. All this cabinetry. We've got the new 3-burner stove, very nice, very finished. Doesn't have the holes around the burner, so you don't have food dropping in. Very clean look, Dometic. We've got the Whirlpool big convection microwave. Good sized bathroom. I like these square showers. They offer a lot of room. Porcelain toilet, nice stainless steel sink in the bathroom. The fantastic fans are all controlled down here, nice and low. For people like myself who are a little bit shorter, can't really reach the ceilings, so we can get to them. Then the refrigerator. I love this refrigerator. I mean, who does not need ice for their evening cocktails? Automatic ice maker. Big 12 cubic foot. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a good sized king, home style king bed. It's not an RV one where it's a little short or a little narrow. It's just a regular household pillow top king size bed. Love the storage back here. I used to build coaches, and one of the things I really liked was the way that Newmar has done their lock for these slide closing doors. Very nice, very clean. Here's our power center, all tucked away, nice and clean in an area that doesn't really take up storage. So we've got a big storage back here. We got more storage here. This one right here. These are typically plumbed for washer and dryer. I don't know if this one's pre-plumbed for it, but that's the cabinet that it would go in if it does need to be there. Newmar quality, 3-inch thick walls. I could go on all day, but this is a quick overview on the 3513 for 2020 by Newmar. I'm Roger.Woodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you. Give me a call if I can answer any questions for you about this or any other rig. Have a great day.